Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on music streaming with Spotify, full guide step by step clearly. To save on music streaming with Spotify, start by exploring their free tier. Create a Spotify account if you haven't already. The free tier allows you to listen to music with ads. Next, consider the Spotify Premium subscription options. Look for special offers for students or family plans that can reduce costs. Spotify often runs promotions, so keep an eye on their website or app. You can also share a family plan with up to 6 people. This spreads the cost and makes premium access more affordable. If you're a college student, verify your status for a discount on premium. Check local promotions or bundle deals with mobile phone providers. These deals may include a free trial period for premium service. Another way to save is by using the annual payment option if available. This often provides a discount compared to monthly payments. Set a budget for your music streaming to avoid overspending. Consider using a prepaid card to help manage your spending. Utilize Spotify's collaborative playlists to discover new music without additional costs. Listening to playlists curated by Spotify can also help you find new favorites. Make the most of offline listening by downloading songs if you have premium. This reduces data usage and saves on mobile bills. Always check your settings for data saver options while streaming. This can help lower how much data you consume while listening. Explore Spotify's podcast offerings, which are free with ads. Podcasts can provide entertainment and value without extra costs. Take advantage of personalized playlists to discover new songs you might like. These can often keep your listening experience fresh without additional charges. Finally, stay engaged with Spotify community features for additional tips. They might offer insights on promotions or special deals available. Following these steps will help you maximize your savings on music streaming with Spotify. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.